If you're thinking about buying Hostinger today, don't complete your order just yet, because you might be missing out on one of the biggest discounts available. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. And when you use the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. And here's the good news. You don't need to search for coupon websites, you don't need to copy a promo code, and you don't need to paste anything during checkout. Simply click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose the hosting plan you want, continue to checkout, and review your final discounted price. Now, here's something that many people don't realize. When you first visit the Hostinger website, you'll already see discounted promotional prices. Because of that, many people assume they're already getting the lowest possible price. But that's not always the case. The additional discount is applied during checkout when eligible, so don't stop on the pricing page. Continue through the entire checkout process and look at the final amount before completing your payment. And if the prices aren't displayed in your local currency, simply click the flag icon at the top of the page and select your country. The pricing will automatically update. Now let's quickly compare the available hosting plans. If you're creating a personal website, starting a blog, building a portfolio, or launching a small business website, the premium plan is usually the best option for most people. It provides a great combination of price and features. Depending on the current promotion, it can include a free domain on eligible plans, free SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That means you can build and launch your website using one platform instead of paying for multiple services. If you're planning to create an online store or manage multiple websites, the business plan may be a better choice. This plan provides additional resources and can include daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups can be extremely helpful if you accidentally delete important content or experience technical issues. And the CDN can help improve your website's loading speed for visitors in different locations. If you're building a larger project or expecting significant traffic growth, you may want to consider the Cloud Startup Plan. It's designed for websites that require more resources and better performance. Depending on the current package, it may also include priority support and a dedicated IP address. So don't simply choose the cheapest plan. Choose the plan that matches your website goals. Premium is ideal for blogs, portfolios, and most personal websites. Business is better for e-commerce websites and growing projects, and Cloud Startup is designed for larger websites that need additional performance. Another reason so many beginners choose Hostinger is its custom H panel. Everything is organized in one dashboard. You can manage your website, domain, email accounts, backups, security settings, and WordPress installation without needing advanced technical skills. Hostinger also offers AI-powered tools that can help you create a website much faster. The AI website builder can generate a website based on your project description. You can then customize the pages, edit the content, change the layout, and create a website that matches your brand. Now let's talk about saving even more money. Before completing your purchase, compare all the available billing periods. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, a longer-term plan can often provide better overall value. When a 48-month plan is available, compare it with the shorter plans and calculate the total cost. But always check the renewal price before completing your order.